Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to braid this hairstyle and make coils, and how to also add extension while braiding and hide your natural hair while braiding. So for this style I'm using our extension gotten from Lush. Just going to share it into two parts and place it on my hair and fix my hair in between, divide my hair into two, and then I'll start braiding. As simple as that. So that's what I'm just going to be doing for this video, all through the hair, even down to the end. Just basically turning over it, and make sure your hair is neat while braiding, and you're also putting your natural hair behind your extension while braiding. So I'm going to be adding external hair. I'm going to be adding more hair to this. So to replace it, you make sure you don't just braid it once, you turn it over and then start braiding. That way the extension you added is not going to show. So I'm going to be knotting this hair at this point because you're going to be putting coils at the end of the hair. I can see my thumbnail. So going over it again, sharing my extension into two, and I'm also replacing that on my natural hair. I'll share it into two with my right hand against my left, and I'll start braiding down to the end. So please, if there is anything you don't really understand in this video, just you can go back to replay it till you get it better, or you can still keep on watching because I didn't just stop there. I showed more on how you'll be able to do it. I think the space, once it's like 4 minutes, you can go to check the one at 4 minutes. I think that one is more clearer if you didn't get this at this point. So for this hair, I just use my shea butter in making this style. I use this for parting. I rub it on the hair when I was braiding. I didn't use any form of gel in making this hair, so it's very possible to use your hair cream or your shea butter in making this hair. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the materials I used in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video. I'll be leaving you to watch this video, so see you guys at the end of the video. So here I'm just turning it round on my flexi rods to achieve a good coil. So I'm going to put this hair into hot water, which at this point I already put it into hot water. Yeah, I've already put it inside hot water. So before doing this hair, you know that you need your hot water also prepared. So by maybe when you are already twisting or when you're fixing your flexi rods on your hair, your water is already boiling, so you can be able to put it. Make sure your water is like very hot. As you can see the coils, look at how the coils came out. So I'm going to be using my above oil sheen and my above mousse for this hair. This is my above mousse for this hair. So I'm going to use this to unravel the hair, like the hair that were intertwined together. Just going to be opening them one by one, doing it neatly, not to make the hair rough. And the hair came out so beautiful, and I love the coils. It came out nice. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.